Discover the bold, savory flavors of the sun-dried tomato pesto recipe, or fondly known as Pesto Rosso. You'll master this recipe in minutes, and you can freeze it for a taste of garden-fresh goodness in the dead of winter. Grab that jar of sun-dried tomatoes packed in olive oil out of your pantry. You'll use the oil that the sun-dried tomatoes are packed in. Hooray for using everything. Drop in that fresh basil and parsley. Throw in a handful of pine nuts, a good amount of garlic, and some chopped white onion. Adding some tomato paste will make it nice and thick. Some balsamic vinegar, as well as some red wine. Then we're gonna add those crushed tomatoes. Give it a good blitz until you reach that consistency that you like in your pestos. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Now I'm gonna add the Parmesan, and we're going to add some olive oil. So I added the olive oil for the sun-dried tomatoes, but I feel like it needed a little bit more. Oh my gosh, look at this. This looks absolutely fabulous. Freeze your pesto in ice cube trays or in single-use portions on a baking tray for future use. Enjoy!